Manufacturers Rep of the Year are Kunzman and Associates. PSKB and R&R Marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to announce R&R Marketing.
There is superstition writing on the wall. There is superstition ladder about to fall. 13-month-old baby broke looking glass. Yes, 7 years of bed living in the past. You believe in things you don't understand, and you suffer. Yeah.
Well, you might say this is lucky 13. That's how many people are on our stage from R&R Marketing. Who's going to be the spokesperson? Here we go. Why be a manufacturer's rep?
It's a great way to make a living
Why?
because you get to sell into the industry that you love, and you get to enjoy the parts you sell, and you get to work with really great people.
Well, the great people I understand, but there's a whole lot of other people out there trying to sell product too.
That's very true.
What sets you apart?
We like performance at all levels in business and in our cars.
How many employees does R&R Marketing have?
17.
What, you left 4 of them at home?
Unfortunately, we had a couple of very special people that couldn't join us this evening. Michael and Jan Rayo, who we thank a great deal for the foundation that they've built for us and the years and allowing this company to go into its second generation, and one other person that just couldn't make it. And I thank these people because they're the ones that do the work.
That's a well-said statement. Congratulations to R&R Marketing. Not the first time, and I doubt very seriously if it's the last.
Thank you to SEMA, our clients, our accounts, and all of our industry friends and associates. We love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, R&R Marketing. Thank you. Congratulations.